Hi all, this is Abhishek and you're watching T.O TV. तो अभी हमें पता डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने एक यूएस क्रिप्टो स्ट्रैटेजिक रिजर्व अनाउंस किया। उसमें 5 कॉइन्स इंक्लूड थे, बिटकॉइन, इथेरियम, कार्डानो, एक्सआरपी एंड सोलाना। अभी ये उसने डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने ये भी बोला कि और भी कॉइन्स ऐड हो सकते हैं एंड हम थोड़े बहुत सोर्सेस ने आइडेंटिफाई किया कि कौन से कॉइन्स पोटेंशियल कैंडिडेट हो सकते हैं। उसमें से HBAR, लिंक, लाइटकॉइन और डॉट है ये पोटेंशियल कैंडिडेट्स। इसी मूव पे HBAR 11.2% ऊपर गया 24 आवर्स में, एंड दिस इज हाउ ट्रेडर्स आर टेकिंग एडवांटेज ऑफ द मार्केट। एंड यू बीइंग अ ट्रेडर, let me explain it to you. How can you take this advantage? मतलब how do you identify what is the next coin that can pump based on news? So today's coin of the day obviously is Hedera. The ticker or the coin name is HBAR or HBAR. Now what is HBAR or Hedera? Hedera is a third generation distributed ledger using hashgraph technology, a more efficient alternative to traditional blockchain. It offers faster transactions, lower fees, and a better security than proof of work or proof of stake networks. Unlike most blockchains, Hedera is governed by top global companies instead of a decentralized network. Transactions finalize in seconds and cost fraction of a cent. HBAR is a native token for transactions, smart contract, and security, with a fixed 50 billion supply preventing inflation. With a fixed 50 billion supply preventing inflation. Now let's look at some of the key stats for HBAR. So the current price is at 0.025. The rank is 14th by market cap. The market cap is sitting around $10 billion. The fully diluted value is around $12.75 billion. 24-hour trading volume is almost close to $1 billion. उसका volume अभी 822 million हो गया है. 24-hour price rate, as I told you, is 11.2%. But an interesting thing, in the last 7 days, it is up by almost 30%. Circulating supply is 42 billion HBAR tokens approximately, and the total and the max supply for HBAR tokens is around 50 billion tokens. तो अभी बात करते हैं HBAR पम्प क्यों हो रहा है। सबसे पहले, as I told you, ट्रम्प का US क्रिप्टो रिजर्व स्पेकुलेशन रिपोर्ट्स इन दैट ये 3 कॉइन्स हो सकते हैं नेक्स्ट अपने क्रिप्टो स्ट्रैटेजिक रिजर्व में ऐड होने के लिए। Next is the price surge, which I told you, it's up by 11.2%. So investors are trying, FOMO होते लोग investors को, तो traders जो FOMO के डाल रहे हैं, they are trying to get in as well. Enterprise adoption, Hedera की partnerships काफ़ी strong है। उन लोग ने Google, IBM and Boeing के साथ partner किया, जो उनको बहुत credibility देता है। अभी Coinbase जो सबसे global exchange है, उनका जो derivative section है, उन लोग ने HBAR futures list किया। तो they have launched on Coinbase as HBAR futures. And US के जो traders हैं, बहुत सारे जो traders जो Coinbase use करते हैं, now they get access to trade HBAR. So that gives more traders to buy and sell HBAR. Then there's tokenized finance expansion. HBAR Foundation is backed by iCrack's tokenized share of Fidelity International USD Money Market Fund, जो Fidelity का एक fund है. Fidelity is one of the top asset management companies in the world. And this is pushing HBAR to real world adoption. तो क्रिप्टो में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रहता है कि अगर वो कॉइन का रियल वर्ल्ड अडॉप्शन हो रहा है कि इसमें हम देख रहे रियल वर्ल्ड अडॉप्शन हो रहा है। Grayscale का ETF filing, Grayscale has filed for a spot HBAR ETF with the SEC with Nasdaq assisting the process. The 19P4 filing has sparked investor excitement. तो obviously Grayscale का filing है, तो it's obviously exciting because any coins which are being converted into ETF, जैसे Bitcoin के ETF के साथ हम लोग ने देखा, तो all coins भी बहुत सारे ETFs में आए, तो that is a very good outlook as well. एक्सचेंज आउटफ्लोज भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है। 12 मिलियन एक्सचेंज आउटफ्लोज हम लोग ने देखा। कॉइन ग्लास जो एक एनालिटिक्स प्लेटफॉर्म है, उन्होंने रिपोर्ट किया कि HBAR पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा आउटफ्लोज हो रहे हैं, विच मीन्स दैट होल्डर्स आर रिमूविंग देयर टोकन्स फ्रॉम द एक्सचेंज एंड कीपिंग इट इनटू देयर वॉलेट्स, विच इज़ वेरी बुलिश फॉर द लॉन्ग टर्म। बिकॉज अगर एक्सचेंज पे टोकन्स लाइक करते हैं तो पीपल यूजुअली वांट टू बाय, सेल और ट्रेड दैट, बट इफ यू आर होल्डिंग इट इन अ वॉलेट तो वो आपके वॉलेट पे सेफ रहता है। So these are a few reasons why HBAR is pumping. Now let's come into the next section. So let's look at the technical analysis for HBAR. Current price, जैसे मैंने बोला, $0.2556 है। उसके रजिस्टर्ड लेवल जो है वो 0.27 और $0.3 के पास है। उसके सपोर्ट लेवल 0.22 and $0.2 के आसपास है। RSI is approaching 68. RSI is 68, which is approaching an overbought zone. The moving average, 50-day moving average for HBAR is at 0.21. The 200-day moving average for HBAR is at 0.18. Overall outlook for HBAR is it is testing a key resistance at $0.27. A breakout above 0.3 could trigger a rally towards 0.35 and 0.4. While failing to hold 0.22 could lead to a retest of $0.2, which you can see in the chart. Now let's come to the next. HBAR and Grayscale ETF speculation. Could HBAR be the next institutional crypto asset? Grayscale's recent legal victory has fueled speculation about new ETFs. HBAR's strong enterprise adoption and fixed supply make it a potential candidate for institutional investment products. If added to a Grayscale trust or an ETF, it could drive further institutional dependent price appreciation. So let's also look at the market outlook. There's a short key support, as I told you, is at 0.22. The breakout zone is 0.3, but the short-term target for HBAR would be $0.35, and the fair value for HBAR would be $0.5. The rationale for this is that the 0.3 level aligns with the past resistance, while the 0.5 replaces the fair valuation based on adoption trends and enterprise partnerships. So we can expect it to go 0.35 and then later to 0.5 in a few months if HBAR continues its momentum. And this is what analysts have been saying on various sources. Now let's come to the major liquidation levels. Also, at the time, the major liquidation levels are at 0.2389 on the lower side and 0.2745 on the upper side, with traders over leverage at these levels. Data further revealed that traders are betting on the bullish side and have built 6.81 million worth of long positions on the 0.2389 levels, whereas 9.58 million on short positions have been placed at the 0.2745 level. Okay, so what's the future outlook for HBAR? So concluding, HBAR's long-term potential depends on a couple of factors: enterprise and government adoption. If more institutions are using Hedera's network, DeFi and NFT growth. DeFi is obviously important. अगर Hedera का DeFi कितना यूज हो रहा है, उसका ecosystem expand हो रहा है, partnerships आ रहे हैं, projects build कर रहे हैं, institutional investment, that is, I think, a bigger aspect to look other than DeFi onto HBAR, because we've seen more hedge fund and companies integrating HBAR. जितना ज़्यादा adoption होगा, regulatory clarity is obviously very important. Clear US policies could fuel mass adoption, and obviously the main reason is ETF and strategic reserve inclusion. If HBAR is added to the institutional investment product or government reserves, its value could skyrocket. With Trump's potential backing and ETF speculation, HBAR could be a key player in blockchain's future. So what do you think? Will Hedera dominate the enterprise blockchain space? So that's it for today for CoinCheck. CoinCheck airs every Monday, Wednesday and Friday on 3.0 TV. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to be updated with the latest news happening in Web3 and crypto. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.